coming back. Oh, dearie me.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Hey, what? Who said that? Hey. Oh, hello.
What are you doing, Grandad Tumble?
Well, I'm pulling up my carrots. It's a bit hard work, though. Right, here we go. Yeah! Oh, dear. They're stuck.
Maybe Mr Tumble can help you, Grandad.
I can't see the boy. Where is it? Hey.
Oh, yes. Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Hello, the boy. Yeah. Can you help me? Right, listen, hold on tight. That's it. We're going to pull these carrots up. Right, go on in. Right, here we go. Heave! Heave! What are you doing? Put your back into it. That's it. Right. Heave! Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Well done, Grandad and Mr Tumble. You pulled up the carrots.
Yes, I did, didn't I? Yes, look at those beauties. How about that then, the boy? Ta-da!
Oh, nice carrots, Grandad Tumble. Will you show me how to grow them?
Oh, yes. Now, first we need to dig a hole.
Ooh,
right, here's my shovel. Oh, here's yours, the boy. That's it. There we go. Nice and deep. Way, what's going on? Way! Hey, the boy, you're good at digging holes. Now, we need to plant the seeds next. So, here we go.
Ooh.
Seeds, a couple of those. There you go, a few more for luck. Now we need to fill the hole back in.
But I've only just dug... Oh,
That's it, get on with it. There we are. Back. I'm going to have a little rest. Whoa! Mr Tumble, you're really good at growing carrots really quickly.
yes. Well,
Mr Tumble, you didn't grow those carrots. They're Grandad Tumble's. They fell into the hole.
Oh, yes. Oh, the boy. Well, you can have my carrots, Mr Tumble.
oh, thank you.
Now you can use the carrots to make your carrot cake, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes, I can make my carrot cake.
Well, then, go on, off you go. Oh, save me a slice.
Hello! Thank you for watching! Woohoo! There are lots more videos here on my channel. Or you can enjoy watching something special on the CBeebies website.